What's going on, you guys? My name is Zach Hartley, and this week Bitcoin just set an all-new record high. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to get set up to day trade, swing trade, or invest in Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency that you prefer. I'm also going to walk you through the platform that I have chosen to use for all of my trades and investment. Here is everything you need to know. Let's go. Okay, so before we get started, let's just jump into the stock chart real quick here. So as you can see, we've got some pretty major resistance right around 60,000, 61,000, and we've got increasingly higher lows. That created an ascending wedge here, or a bull flag, whatever you want to call it. And yesterday we saw a very clear breakout of that 61K resistance, and we blew past it to $63,000. Today we opened above $63,000. We're doing extremely well. We just set an all new record high today, and Bitcoin is going up. So I'm very optimistic about cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. I also think we have a couple of catalysts that are at the back and basically giving wind to this industry. You have the Coinbase IPO that just happened and went extremely well. You also have Tesla recently starting to accept Bitcoin, and if we start to see other companies such as Amazon, Apple, Uber, any of these major tech companies starting to accept Bitcoin, that is going to drive some demand. We also have some concerns about US inflation. A lot of the money that is in circulation right now was printed in the last year, and that could drive some inflation over the next few months to years. And then you also have the blockchain technology, which is revolutionizing the world and is being adopted extremely fast, and that is what everything we are about to talk about runs on. So I really like what's going on in the crypto space. Now, how do you trade Bitcoin or other cryptos? You have a couple of different options, starting with some mobile applications. If you're in the United States, Robinhood or Coinbase is probably the most popular, and if you're in Canada, it seems like Wealthsimple is the most popular. However, there's some problems with those because they give you very limited ability to perform technical analysis. So you can't really draw a trend line on there. You can't really do any of your technical analysis, look for Bollinger Bands, add a moving average. Those type of things are very difficult to do, especially when you're doing it on a mobile phone. And so what I prefer is to use an actual trading platform for cryptocurrency. Now, there are a couple that you can use. I found that the most popular are Binance, Catalyx, and Bittrex. They are full-on trading platforms similar to Questrade or Thinkorswim that allow you to get in and out of positions, place different types of orders, use margin, and basically operate as if you were trading stocks or Forex. So very, very nice platforms. And these are the ones that I highly recommend that you use because they'll give you more control over your trades. Now, my personal preference and the platform that I decided to invest and trade with is called Binance. There's a link in the description down below if you want to check it out. But what's cool about them is that they created their own blockchain and token. Their token is called the Binance Coin, and the ticker for it is BNB. And what's nice about BNB is that it can be traded with almost any other currency or any other token. So if you get in and you buy, let's say, $1,000 worth of Bitcoin, you then have Bitcoin, but Bitcoin doesn't trade with all of the other coins. And so you have a problem converting your Bitcoin into, let's say, one of the other smaller coins that you've just heard about that you want to get in early on. And so what's cool about Binance is they created BNB, and BNB trades with pretty much everything else. And so if you can't convert your Bitcoin into something else, you can convert it into BNB and then convert it into whatever you want. And the nice thing is that because it's the coin of Binance, of the platform that you're using, the fees are extremely low. And if you have any sort of BNB in your portfolio or any sort of BNB coin in your holdings, you get even reduced fees, and it comes out of your BNB, and basically you won't even feel the fees. You'll hardly even notice them. So I really like that. It's a great setup. It's probably one of the lowest cost platforms to get on. It's super easy to use, and I like what they are doing because it gives you accessibility to a very large number of coins. Over 150 coins you can trade on their platform, so that's really nice, especially if you want to get into anything new or small. I also like that they have good technical analysis, very low trading fees, like I said, and it's easy to use and set up. It took me about 20 minutes, and I'm not even going to make a setup video because it's so easy. You just follow the steps. Okay, now let's do a quick walkthrough, and I'll show you exactly what it's like. Okay, so this is the home page here. So let's say that you don't have an account and you want to deposit some funds. All you do is you go to buy now, and you have a bunch of different options in order to put some money into your account. You can pay with your Visa, you can send a bank transfer, you can buy it from other people. Lots of different options to put money into your account. Once you have money in your account, there's a variety of different ways for you to trade and convert your funds. So let's say you just want to convert your money from Bitcoin to something else, from Bitcoin to Ethereum. All you have to do here is put in 100 Bitcoin, convert it into X number of Ethereum, preview the conversion, and you're good to go. So converting from one to one is really easy. And then if you want to trade, there's a button up here and there's a drop down menu that gives you a bunch of different options. There's a bunch of different trading platforms that you can use right here. I just clicked on the advanced trading platform, and as you can see, it gives us a candle chart. I have it set up with the MACD and the RSI down here. There's lots of different ways to set this up, and then you can go in and you can pretty much perform your technical analysis, whatever you'd like to do. You've got all of your support and resistance, your Fibonacci retracements. You've got pretty much everything that you need in a regular trading platform, but you now have it for cryptocurrency. And if you don't want to trade Bitcoin, you want to trade Dogecoin, for instance, you can trade Dogecoin right here as if it was a currency pair or as if it was a stock. It's really easy to do. You can also trade different currency pairs. Now, this is really cool. Let's say you want to trade Doge and Bitcoin, you're good to go. But let's say you can't find a small coin that you want, then you go to BNB right here and you can now trade pretty much anything you want. So the trading platform is pretty smooth, and then when you go to the top button here that says markets, it'll basically show you a variety of different coins that are available right now. And you can see that BNB, which is the coin here on the right side, it pretty much trades with every other coin that you can think of. You have access to over 150 coins. So as soon as you put some money in, you can put it into Bitcoin or you can put it into BNB, and then you can convert it into any other coin that you want. Binance is pretty easy to use. Watch a couple YouTube videos on it. It should give you pretty much everything you need. Go back to the homepage. They got a couple different promotions you can go through here. And then here is the current price of some of the major coins right now. You can also go to view more in the markets, and it will give you all of the different currency pairs compared to BNB, or you can do it compared to the spot price as well. So here's everything compared to the US dollar. You can see that everything is pretty much available and accessible to you here on Binance. Okay, now we're back in the platform, and there's just a couple things I want you to know about Binance. So the BNB, the Binance coin, operates on their own blockchain. This is pretty cool. They made it in 2019, and what's nice is that BNB can be traded for almost any coin like I showed you, and you also pay lower fees if you at least hold a little bit of BNB. Now what's cool about BNB as a coin and why you might want to hold it along with Bitcoin, or why you might want to hold it just as an investment, is that BNB coin or Binance coin launched with 200 million coins in circulation at their ICO. But you cannot mine this coin, so it's not like they're generating more. There will never be more than 200 million coins. And Binance as a company plans to buy back the coins, the BNB coins, with about 20% of their profits every single quarter and destroy them until they bring that number down to 100 million coins. And so what's interesting here is that Binance is operating as a platform, and with the profits that they have, they're going to buy back BNB coins similar to a stock buyback, the exact same idea as a company buying back their stock, but Binance is going to buy back the BNB coin, the Binance coin, and they're going to destroy them, which should increase the value of the BNB coin over time, especially if Binance as a platform grows, because people are using Binance and the BNB coin to get in and out of different coins. So lots of exciting things happening here in the Binance blockchain and the Binance coin. Now, you might be asking yourself, how does it all work? So I'm going to try and summarize it for you here. Binance is a trading platform. That's the platform that I'm using to buy and sell. The problem is that some currencies you can't convert into the other, especially the smaller ones. And so what they've done is they've created their own coin that can trade with pretty much everything on the platform. This is pretty much the cash of Binance, and you can use it to buy and sell whatever you want if the currency pairs aren't available on their own. BNB is kind of operating as the cash of the cryptocurrency world on Binance. It's really exciting because that cash in itself, BNB the coin, should appreciate in value over time because the company is planning to buy back quite literally 50% of the coins. And so if you just hold BNB and Binance continues to do well and continues to grow that customer base, the coin should go up in value as well. Now, how do you get started and how do you actually put money into the account? Well, if you're interested, you can actually set up an e-transfer if you're in Canada. You can also set up a wire transfer. You can pay with your credit card, and there's over 100 different third-party applications. I couldn't find PayPal on there, but it sounds like there's a lot of other options. I didn't have access to any of them, so I sent an e-transfer, but I found that was actually the easiest. It took like 2 minutes, and it was very, very well done and very efficient. Now, here's my strategy for cryptocurrency, for Binance, for Bitcoin, and what I will be doing. I will be using the BNB coin to day trade and swing trade different cryptocurrency on the Binance platform. I will be using technical analysis the exact same way that I do in the stock market. Nothing changes when you're looking at candlesticks and price action on a chart. You're looking for trends and changes in directions. It's the exact same thing whether you're looking at a cryptocurrency or a stock. So I will be applying the exact same technical analysis that I use in the stock market to the cryptocurrency market. And I'm pretty optimistic about this because most of the value in these coins is based on their utility. I think Bitcoin has a lot of utility, and I also think that the Binance coin has a lot of utility. So I'm pretty optimistic and I'm pretty excited about this. Now, if you guys are interested in following along, then you should definitely consider signing up for my Discord chat. That is where I'm trying to build a community of traders that are in the stock market, in the crypto market, and they're trying to help everybody else make money by sharing their trades, sharing their resources, and sharing their due diligence so that you don't have to sit at home and do all the research by yourself. If you're interested in joining that community, then definitely consider signing up with the link down below. It is $5 per month, and that is where I share all of my technical analysis. I share some of my trades, and I would love to have you there. I promise you it'll be the best $5 that you can spend, and I will see you guys in the next video. If you get any value out of this, remember to click that like and subscribe button, and I will talk to you soon. Good luck trading. Good luck investing. See you later.